Want to share your VPN connection across unlimited devices without fiddling with your router? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to set it all up. Here's the secret. You can create a VPN-enabled hotspot directly from your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process. This solution is especially handy if your router doesn't support VPN configurations, or if you're trying to connect devices like a smart TV or gaming console that don't offer built-in VPN functionality. Before we dive in, make sure you've got CyberGhost VPN installed and actively running on your computer. That's the VPN I'll be using throughout this demo. Step 1. Turn on your mobile hotspot. First, open your computer's network and internet settings. Head to the mobile hotspot section and switch it to on. Next, click Edit to configure your network name and password. Since we're using CyberGhost VPN, feel free to name your hotspot something relevant, though the name is totally up to you. When setting a password, be sure to choose something strong. Combine letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. For demonstration purposes, I'll keep my existing password. After you've entered your details, click Save to lock in your settings. Step 2. Share network connection. Now we need to access your computer's list of network adapters. The quickest way is to type Network Connections into the Windows search bar and open it from there. Look through the list and find your mobile hotspot adapter. It should be listed as something like Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. In my case, the name of this connection is Local Area Network 2, but yours might be labeled slightly differently. That's totally normal. Just remember the name. We'll need it in the next step. Next, locate the adapter used by CyberGhost VPN. For other VPNs, the adapter should already be visible here, but with CyberGhost, it works a little differently. The CyberGhost adapter is created as soon as you connect to the VPN, and it gets deleted after disconnecting. Because of this, you'll need to repeat these steps every time you want to share the VPN connection. But don't worry, it's not complicated. Once you've done it once or twice, it becomes really quick and easy. I'm going to choose the OpenVPN protocol, but this method works great with WireGuard as well. Just not with IKEV2. I'll click Connect, and as you can see, the CyberGhost Winton network adapter is now created. Small tip, if you're using the WireGuard protocol, the adapter will be named CyberGhost WireGuard. The next steps are the same for both OpenVPN and WireGuard adapters. Right-click that VPN adapter and choose Properties. Head over to the Sharing tab and check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. If a confirmation window pops up, just click OK. In the drop-down menu labeled Home Networking Connection, select the mobile hotspot adapter you noted earlier. For me, that's Local Area Network 2. Once selected, click OK again to save the changes and close out of the settings. CyberGhost VPN also lets you view your current VPN IP address in the app. Take note of that. We'll use it for a quick verification in a moment. Step 3. Test the connection. Now let's run a quick test. I'll connect my phone to the new VPN hotspot and verify that the VPN is working as expected. Once my phone is connected, I'll check the IP address. If it matches the IP shown in the CyberGhost VPN app, we're good to go. As you can see, the IP address on my phone lines up perfectly with the one assigned by CyberGhost VPN, proof that the setup works. Now, I'll do the same test with the WireGuard protocol. First, I'll change the protocol to WireGuard. Then I'll share the network adapter connection the same way I did for OpenVPN. After that, I'll just repeat the same test on my phone. And as you can see, it's the same IP address on the VPN and on the phone. Switching VPN locations. When you're switching locations, you'll need to share your adapter connection again for it to work. The reason is that CyberGhost deletes the adapter every time you disconnect, so the sharing settings have to be reapplied each time. And there you have it. You can now connect your smart TV, gaming console, or any other device to your secure VPN hotspot and enjoy a private browsing experience across your entire network. If you found this guide useful, go ahead and give it a like. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and effective tutorials like this one. Thanks for tuning in.